can you divide this number by 11 in just 5 seconds? I know many people will say, yes, we can do it, but not in just 5 seconds. We take at least 1 minute to do that. But what if I'll tell you, you can do it in just 5 seconds by using an amazing trick? You will say, no, it's not possible. But yes, it's possible. And let me show you the trick, how you can do it in just 5 seconds. Okay, to do that, we'll take a small example first. Okay, then we'll come to this number. Our number is 4 9 6 1. We want to divide this number by 11. Okay. So what you will do so that you can do it in just 5 seconds. Okay. See carefully what I am doing. Okay. You have to write the first digit as it is. Here it's 4. So just write 4 as it is. Right. Then you have to subtract this number with the next digit. That means 9 minus 4. Okay. You have to do 9 minus 4. That is 5. Right. Again, you have to subtract this number with the next digit. That is 6. So 6 minus 5. Right. So 6 minus 5, the next value will be 1. Right. Now you have to subtract this number from this digit. 1 minus 1. Right. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now see carefully. You can see that the last digit of this number is 0. If it is 0, you have to remove this 0 from your answer. You have to remove this 0 from your answer. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 4 5 1, because 0 is already removed. Okay, so this is your answer. You can go and check. Okay, by using a calculator you can go and check. This is your answer. Got it? Now let me explain with one more example so you will get clearly. Okay, what is happening you will get clearly. So let me take one more example. First let me clean that board. Okay, so that you can see clearly what I am doing. Okay, then we will write that number. Okay, we want to divide 6 9 8 9 4 divided by 11. Okay, and you have to find the value. So what you will do, as I said earlier, you have to write the first digit as it is. So write 6 as it is. Okay, then you have to subtract this number from next digit. That is 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So write here 3. Then you have to subtract this number from next digit. That is 8. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Right. So write 5 here. Now you have to subtract this 5 from 9. Right, because next digit is 9. So 9 minus 5, that is 4, right? Now you have to subtract this number from this, that is 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0, right? Then I said earlier, if your last digit is 0, here you can see your last digit is 0, right? So you have to remove this 0 from your answer. So just cross that one. Okay, then so what will be your answer? Your answer will be 6 3 5 4. This is your answer. If anybody wants a cross check, then do it. Okay, by you can do it by using like conventional way of division, or by using a calculator also you can check. Okay, now let's come to that big number that I have shown in the first starting of the video. Okay, so now let's divide a big number with 11. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's first clean this. Okay, now write that number. That number is 7 9 4 6 6 2, right? You have to divide this number with by 11. Okay, so now see carefully. Okay, what you'll do, write 7, first digit 7, so write as it is 7, right? Now you have to subtract this number from the next digit, that is 9 minus 7 is 2, right? So write 2 here. Then you have to subtract this from this number, 4 minus 2, right? 4 minus 2 is 2. Then subtract this number from next digit, that is 6. 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 is 4. Now subtract this 4 from this next number, that is 6. So same process what I am doing. Okay, that I explained earlier. 6 minus 4 is 2, right? 2. Then sorry, let me write clearly. Okay, now you have to subtract this number from this number, so 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, write 0 here. Then I said, if your last digit is 0, if it is 0, then you have to remove it from your answer, right? So remove this one. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 7 2 2 4 2. This is your answer. This is your answer. Okay, now you got the trick, right? If you got this trick, then I am giving you 2 questions to find the value. Write your answer in the comment box. Okay, and if you practice this trick, you can do it in just even in 2-3 seconds. Okay, so I am giving you this 2 division. Find that answer by using this trick only and write that answer in the comment box. Okay, and if you want more trick like this, then in the comment section write more tricks. Okay, till now, see you guys in the next video.